Good morning, class 11, my children. Today I will continue the same chapter, that is morphology and anatomy of cockroach, and today's topic is female reproductive system. In the previous video I told about the male reproductive system. Today I will discuss about the female reproductive system. Now children, this is the figure of female reproductive system. As in case of male also there are pair of testes, here also there are pair of ovaries. But ovaries are divided into 8 small parts. These are called as ovarioles. These are, children, 8 ovarioles forms an ovary. Yes, children. Now, the tapering end of the ovariole, these are the, you can say, either starting part, or they are having a tapering end towards the one end of it, or towards the one end of each ovariole. They are form an ovary, and they are present second to sixth segment. Total reproductive system in a female body is situated between the second and sixth sterna or sternum. Then from each ovary there are 2 short oviducts. So second point is 2 oviducts are there. Then 2 oviducts, when combined, they will form a black color here. It is common oviduct, or it is known as vagina. As in other cases or other animals, they have vagina. This common duct is acting as vagina, but in case of cockroach, it is called as genital chamber. Now children, from the vagina you can see here spermatheca, oviduct, or it is with the vagina. Then vagina opens into genital chamber. Vagina opens into the genital chamber. Genital chamber is, before that you can see here, that is spermatheca. Spermatheca, it is club shaped structure. Children, do you know the meaning of club? It is not the party club. Club shape means the tools, whatever we can understand our Hanumanji have, that is Gada. So club means a rounded structure having a short handle or to hold it, that is the common pipe shaped structure. It is club shaped. So that's why spermatheca has given a club shaped structure. And it is present in the dorsal side. So when the spermatheca is there, so they form a conical shape, and it is called as spermatheca papilla. Now children, from the genital chamber, all the ovarioles send the ovum in different stages they have. After getting some maturity, then they can be carried by the oviduct and they are coming to the genital chamber. Then in the genital chamber, or near to the genital chamber, there is one slit. Due to that slit, the ovum or eggs can come into the genital chamber, but yet it is not totally matured. Now, when it reaches, there are, you can see here, collateral glands. Genital chamber is also called as, here it is written, gynatrium. This gynatrium is connected with the collateral gland. Collateral gland, there is, in the very first day I told you, collateral gland have some secretion. Okay, first you know about it. They are present just like here in the green color you can see branches of the trees. It is the left and it is the right one. So left one is quite bigger than the right one. This is collateral gland, and their secretion will help to cover the egg or will form the ootheca, that is covering of each egg. So collateral gland's secretion or the secretion of the collateral gland will cover the egg to protect themselves, and this is known as the ootheca. So collateral gland, secretion of collateral gland forms the ootheca. Then spermatheca. Spermatheca, which open as a median aperture in the dorsal side of their body and dorsal side of the genital chamber, and in a small spermatheca papillae. Just now I told you that they will form a conical shape as you studied in the excretory system. The renal papilla, through which the filtered material will come to the hilus. Here is also the same structure like that conical shape, that is papilla, through which the ovum they come to the genital chamber, and spermatheca receive sperms during the copulation from the male and store them until required. So spermatheca have the main function to store the male gamete until they are required. Till then they are present in the spermatheca, and through that slit they are coming to the genital chamber. Now genital chamber, they have two, you can say lip-like or you can say cover-like. So there are two parts. One is in red color, it is posterior hypophysis, and green color it is anterior gonapophysis. If it is anterior one, then anterior one is quite bigger than the posterior one. So these two hypophyses will cover that slit from where the male gamete can pass and it collected in the spermatheca, and from the female gamete, and after the secretion of collateral gland the eggs are covered and then they form the ootheca. While the copulation, these eggs or ootheca burst, and then eggs and male gamete can fertilize to the egg cell, and then they can grow into the new cockroach or the new nymph, you can say. So the ovipositor, where the eggs are collected, it is, I told you, in the female, it is in the last segment of their body. From the genital chamber, after getting the ootheca, they are collected in the ovipositor, and from the spermatheca sperms will come, that means male gamete will come to fertilize them. So this is the female reproductive system, or you can say the structure of the female reproductive system. As children, yes, one more thing. The ovipositor lies above and behind the gonopore. As they have gonopore, yesterday or not in yesterday, that is before or in the previous video I told you, gonopore is the opening to release the gamete. So in the female also they have gonopore. So the ovipositor lies above and behind the gonopore. So that's why they consist the three pairs of elongated processes. Yet I have never drawn here. So they have some processes as known as valvulae. So these are not very important, but they are having some function while or during copulation. Same way, male also have their gonapophysis. It consists of telomere, titillator and pseudopenis. All these three will help them in the copulation. So this is the structure of female reproductive system. So female reproductive system, we have 8 ovules found in each ovary. Then total reproductive system is situated between the second and the sixth segment. From the ovules, or you can say from each ovary, there are short oviducts. 2 oviducts will combine to form the common duct. Common duct is also called as vagina. From the vagina, this opens into the genital chamber. Genital chamber is also called as gynaetrium. Then above the genital chamber, there is a spermatheca. Spermatheca have a main function to collect the male gametes until they are required. Till then, they are very safe in the spermatheca. So, from the spermatheca, they will form a conical structure, that is spermatical papilla. Through that papilla, they can pass the male gametes into the genital chamber. Genital chamber have 2 types of cover. Genital chamber have one slit. Through that slit, eggs can come to the genital chamber. So this slit is covered by the 2 coverings. One is short and one is long. Short one just over to it, that is posterior gonapophysis, and above it there is anterior gonapophysis. These 2 will cover the slit. As it requires during copulation, it will open for the fertilization. So, as in case of male reproductive system also, there are some organ or gonopore. Near the gonopore, there are some organs which help them copulation, just as phelomere, titillator and pseudopenis in case of male. Same thing happen in case of female. There are valvulae. These valvulae also help them. They are help them for their copulation. So this is the yes, and then this is one thing. Collateral gland, this branching or branch tree-like structure. They have left one is bigger than the right one, and they have some secretion. This secretion will help the eggs to form a covering, that is called as ootheca. So, if you children this is the not that you can see it. You can see it just like the covering of the egg. This is known as the ootheca. This is the front view, and at the back there will be the posterior view. It is just like the purse shaped structure which can be closed or opened through their opening. So this is the ootheca, and this ootheca will present, which collects the covering of the egg, and then eggs are protected. So children, now it is over. So this is the female reproductive system of, this is ootheca. Okay children, God bless you.